how to set up your lead magnet, your online course, or your membership on Techmatics. Of course, it's the best platform out there. So glad you asked. Now, inside this lesson, it's actually really important. There's a number of steps you need to be aware of. Below, there is a video that will walk you through how to set up your course, upload your course, create the checkout for your course, create the landing page for your course, and create an automated email welcome sequence for your students for your course inside the Techmatics platform as well. Please watch that video first, but then don't stop. Please scroll down because then there are some further instructions. Once you've watched that video, and do that first so you have the whole overview of the process that you'd be following on the platform. Then what you want to do is go and get your free trial on Techmatics if you haven't got an account or a free trial just yet. The second step you need to follow is to then go and book your free onboarding call with one of our tech experts. So in that 60-minute session, that is to set up your account, do your basic settings for you, do your basic integrations for you, connect your Stripe and your PayPal account for you, and just get those basic settings into place. Okay, so that onboarding call is just to get those initial setup items done so that you're ready to go. Now, the next thing you might want to do while you're waiting for your tech expert call, or if you're someone who just likes to do tech stuff yourself, step number 3 on here is to go and follow the setup checklist inside our help center. Now, just to give you an idea of what this help center looks like, guys, it's actually an amazing library. Oh, that's not the help center at all. Let me just open it up in a new tab. Where are you? Oh my gosh, I'm all over the place here. Let's grab that link, shall we? Let's copy that and put that up here. And it will take you to the Pro Health Center. The first thing this is actually going to open for you is the onboarding checklist. So when you are on this page, you'll see here by clicking the little drop-down arrow, it's going to show you all the basic steps to set up your profile, add users, add employees, upload any contacts you might have, do your basic integrations yourself. Anything that you can't figure out yourself, save for your onboarding call with your tech expert, who will be able to do that for you. Now, your tech expert will also help you connect your domain to your account as well. If you do have a www.something.whatever, they will be able to connect that to your account for you as well. Now, once you've done that, you can, of course, carry on going through the help center. In here, there are instructions for all of the major sections of our features inside the Techmatics platform. So you can go through and start to familiarize yourself with some of the setup that you might like to implement when you're having a play with your tech. Step number 4 is I have recorded a full online course walking you through the process of using all of the features inside your Techmatics account. So that will allow you to follow my tutorial videos, to learn all of the features and how that specifically applies to you as a course creator, coach, or consultant. So do go and sign up to that course. It is completely free of charge. You'll obviously have lifetime access to that account once you've signed up to it, so you can go back and watch those videos, and we're adding new video training to that all of the time. Now, the other thing you can do is any page that you are on inside your Techmatics account, no matter what page, what button, what feature you're on, when you press Start Help Guide, it will actually to walk you through, and it's probably not letting me doing it right now because I'm recording on the screen, it will actually walk you through all of the features that are poignant on the particular page that you're on. So if you click to another page and press Start Help Guide, it will show you all of the features on that particular page too. Now, the other thing I want to just bring your attention to on step number 5 is at the bottom right-hand side of your screen, when you're logged into your Techmatics account, you'll see a little chat bubble. It's a black and white chat bubble. If you click on that, you actually can get 24-hour live chat support, and it's really, really fast. One of our tech experts will be able to chat and help you with anything that you're stuck on, any feature you can't figure out, anything that you don't understand, anything that you feel like isn't working, or there's bugs or something, right? Whatever you think is going on, just click on that box and you'll be able to chat with a tech expert. Now, if you have something going on that's just too hard to explain, you're not sure how to explain it in writing, you're really getting stuck on using a particular feature, you can book a free call with one of our tech experts as well. So it's a free Zoom call. So that's step number 6. You can grab that link there. And just to show you what this looks like, there's actually a number of different call options that you can choose from. And I've just gone and copied the same link all over again, haven't I? Why is my copy not working? Let's go to open link over here. They have an option basically for just general questions, general advice, right? You have some specifically for websites and funnels over here. And then you have advanced tech support as well. So this is, if there's something really complicated, you need a proper web developer to come and help you out. Please bear in mind, this is support. It's not services. All right. This is not done for you services. You can't be using this as, your own virtual assistants to do tasks for you. This is support for being stuck and if things don't feel like they're not working for you. Okay, but these are all here for you 24 hours a day, and you can go in, pick an appointment, and it will show up in your time zone. And it will allow you to book an appointment that's going to work for you. As you can see on here, there should always be some times available in the next few days. Cross fingers, all right? Let me know if you're struggling to ever find an appointment. All right, just to let you know, we also do have done for you services and migration services on Techmatics as well. So if you are currently on another platform, you want to move over to Techmatics and you can't be bothered to do all of that migrating, my team can actually do that for you. That is a paid service. We keep that as affordable as possible. So if you click on techmatics.com/services, that will take you to our services page, and you can fill in a quote request form detailing how big your migration basically is. There's just a few little questions to answer, and that will allow us to make a custom quote for the specific size of your project. So there you go. That's a bit of an overview there. So please do make sure that you've logged in especially to that Techmatics training course, the techmatics.com/learn. That's on your step number 4 here. Please go and log into that. And as part of your tech week, if you're setting up on the Techmatics platform, go through those videos and the training in there, because it's going to give you a really, really thorough overview of how to use all of the amazing features inside this platform that are going to completely revolutionize your business, put everything on autopilot, make you so much more organized, way less stressed, and just help you get your business running way more effectively. So that is your big job for this step now, is go on into that techmatics.com/learn so that you can go in and start figuring out your platform. Get that onboarding call booked if you haven't had it yet already. And if you're on the Plus package, of course, we're doing it all for you. So do make sure if you're on the Plus package that you've booked your one-on-one call with me if you haven't had that yet, so that you and I can spend an hour together for however you wish to use and abuse me in that hour. And also make sure that if you're on the Plus package, that you are in communication with my team regarding your project, that you filled in your setup form. If you haven't had that yet, it's probably gone to your junk. If you haven't got it, please go and email me on sarah@sarahcordiner.com, and one of the project management team will be in touch with you to make sure that you've got that setup form so that we can get your project off the ground for you. There we have it, my friends. I hope that you enjoy all of the fun and features that this platform has to give you. If you get stuck on anything, let us know in the group, or if it's regarding Techmatics issues, click on the chat bubble in your page there, and you'll get very, very quick support and all your questions answered. See you soon.